So it's time for a bit of a travel blog again. Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are serious about playing games. I'm John, and I'm off to the airport to go to Amsterdam, because we're gonna go play some escape rooms. We're working on a project where we want to use escape rooms for museum contexts. So the idea is to use the interactivity and use the physical space and the interaction with the physical space to make the learning more, let's call it tangible. For you who don't know, an escape room is a form of a physical room that works as a puzzle. So you need to solve riddles to get to some kind of clue, and in the end usually get out, and therefore they call them escape rooms. So by not only seeing the exhibit but also be able to interact with it and dive deep into it and look at things and touch things and move things around, we hope to be able to get you more interested in it. Of course, there's always a risk with this. I usually say that the one thing that games teach you the most is to play games. So there is of course a risk that the only thing you learn is to play that escape room game. And this is something we need to balance. One of the main ways for us to balance this is to work with the scientific and engineering tasks. That's the main way of interacting with the puzzles. It should be tied into science and research ideas. So an engineering puzzle that is about solving an engineering riddle. And the thing you do is actually use your engineering skills. Of course on a very simple level compared to actually working with it. And we'll see what happens. The project is still in the early state, really early state. So this is an inspirational trip we're doing, and we'll see if we get new ideas from there as well.
We were on time.
Almost on time.
We were on time, and then we got stuck on the tarmac.
Oh no!
So now we're like half an hour late. But it's gonna be fine. Anyway, we found a professor on the plane. Eli, hello.
Hello, hello. I'm looking forward to this.
So you're a professor of film, right?
That's right, film design, in fact.
Sorry, I need to record. So we're doing the Sherlocked, the architect, right? And then we do another one tomorrow.
Yeah. The vault.
The vault.
Yep. We got instructions to be in the parking lot at 10:03. Dressed as art dealers. Don't be late. No exceptions.
They didn't say don't be late today, though.
That's true.
So you were going to a conference and then you ended up in an escape room?
Yes, but it's actually very relevant to me, so very much looking forward to it.
What conference is it?
This is a conference for the International Organization for Film and Media Schools.
Film and Media Schools?
Yeah.
And where are you at? Which university?
I'm at the Stockholm University of Arts.
Stockholm University of Arts.
We're here now,
Hi.
but I'm not allowed to bring the phone in, so bye.
But we are going to the Science Museum as well. Amsterdam Science Museum is named Nemo, and we're there now, so you can get some images from there instead.
Now at the hotel. Nice experience. By the way, decorative plates. But look at this one. If you want a decorative plate, I think it should be a decorative plate with the alien invader on it. Anyway, let's talk a bit about the experience. It was a really nice experience with some interesting twists and turns. And I won't say anything about the puzzles, I won't say anything about what actually happened because of respect for their design. I mean, they put a lot of energy into it, and I don't want to destroy the puzzles in case you have a chance to go there as well. I think it's a room that's worth going to. They used some really interesting things. In one of the puzzles, you actually work together to connect and get the feeling, like a really embodied feeling of I am part of this puzzle. And you just have to go there if you want to see what that was about. When I talk about it like this, I sound really academic, right? Just using words. But that's, in this case, that's because I want to keep the secrets.
Back at Amsterdam airport after 2 very nice escape rooms. Thank you, Sherlocked. And the visit to the Nemo Science Center. All 3 really good experiences that are going to help us a lot in the future. So with that, I'm signing off this one, and there will be a lot of more talk about science centers, and there will be a lot of more talk about escape rooms in the future. So see you around.